Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Now, say you're lucky like me and a road-raging tractor-trailer driver decides your pretty little car should get smushed. What do you do? Well, if you're smart, you bring your baby to professionals who don't take shortcuts and they get your car repaired the right way, down to the manufacturer's specifications, not the cheapest way. They get you back on the road like the accident never happened. And that's what Sudden Impact Auto Buddy does on a daily basis. I'm not saying I know this firsthand. I'm just saying, I know this firsthand. Right?
Wow. Jose Gutierrez is the president of Sudden Impact, and he joins us now. That was the longest intro I've ever heard because Sean is personally invested in your company.
He is.
Yes, this is great.
All right, though.
Oh, my gosh.
He had quite the experience. Right?
Oh, my goodness. It was great. So here's what happened. I got in the accident, and the first thing that goes in your mind is, oh, my goodness, this is going to cost a lot. What do I do? What do we do when we're in an accident? First things we should do.
First thing you do is make sure everybody's okay.
The driver didn't do that for me. Right. Imagine that.
Yeah, get out, make sure everybody's fine.
Yep.
If you need to call 911 or anything at that point, make that call. But
of course.
After that, give us a call. Give Sudden Impact Auto Body a call, and we would be able to help you through the claim process and making the claim and making sure that the vehicle, you choose our shop. We're going to make sure it comes to our shop.
Absolutely. And when it comes to having your car repaired after an accident, you want someone who's been in the business a long time and is used to that relationship with the insurance companies.
Absolutely.
Right? Because the insurance companies, when you call up, they have preferred vendors.
They have preferred vendors. We're not a preferred vendor for any insurance company.
Okay.
I'll tell you why.
Yes.
Because they don't do things cheap. They do things right.
We do things right. We've taken time and money to invest in getting certified by most of the major car manufacturers.
Yes.
So, number one, all body shops are not the same.
Yeah.
All right. We've invested that time and money in the right tools. The manufacturers come out. They make sure that we have the right tools, the right training to be certified. And a very short percentage of shops in town are actually certified. Most of the shops that are on the preferred list for the insurance companies are not certified.
So they might end up using some aftermarket parts or some workarounds to make it look maybe nice, but behind the scenes it might not be.
Behind the scenes things may not be right, because there's technical bulletins on how to actually repair or replace, whether it can be repaired or the part has to be replaced.
The list of car manufacturers that you are certified through is pretty extensive.
Pretty extensive. We got about 17. We're just a quick Honda, Acura, Kia, Volvo. We're the only Volvo shop in town.
No kidding.
Only Volvo certified shop in town. Nissan, GM, Ford Aluminum, Hyundai.
I was going to say GM, that's my car.
Yeah, Dodge, Ram, Fiat. We go through quite a few. Volkswagen, we're also certified Volkswagen.
Wow, awesome. So you guys, you're certified for so many car manufacturers. Yes. You also help people repair their cars, and it's an emotional experience when you get in an accident.
It is.
You feel like you had something that was kind of pristine and in good shape, and now it's been damaged. We're going to take a look at some before and after pictures just to show what you can do.
Okay, now wow, that SUV saw a day, huh?
Yes.
Oh
man, oh man.
Yeah.
And this
it
is
looks like new.
And this is I've been yeah, well, it might have been their fault, but
boy.
it looks nice now though. It happens to the best of us. Another SUV, man, oh man, that seems to happen a lot.
Grill color, wow.
And you provide a lot of services beyond the typical just collision repair.
Yeah, we do dents, we do DMV inspections, minor scratches. We do headlight restoration, we do detailing, light mechanical.
Nice.
Yeah, that headlight restoration, like it gets all like frosted.
Yeah, it gets frosted, sun beat, and we can fix it.
So we've saved the best before.
All right, I like
here we
it.
go.
This is my beautiful, beautiful Jolty McBolterson, the Chevrolet Volt.
His Volt.
Beaten to a pulp by this truck. The wheel is turned into me. I'm coming for you. Small claims is coming. That's it. So this is what happened. I believe there's another photo that might come up that will show the damage on the side, and that was, by the way, there's quarter panels all the way down, and if you see, that's the lot the day after I got that baby back. Like nothing happened. I legit saw it in the parking lot and I fell in love with my car again. It was beautiful.
Yeah, I love it. That's the most satisfaction for us, that when the customer comes and gets their car and everything is just beautiful and everything is right, man, there's nothing better for us.
Magician. So when you're talking to the insurance company, they're like, yeah, well, here's the list of places you go. You can say, Nah, I got a guy.
I want to get a
It's actually against the law for the insurance company to tell you where you have to take your car. You have, it's
can
your right.
suggest, yeah.
They
Is
can
that so?
suggest, but it's your choice. They'll try to tell you that they won't warranty our repairs, but I want everybody to know that we give a lifetime warranty.
You warranty your repairs.
I warranty everything. I'm there every day,
true.
and I stand behind everything we do.
Good man.
That's really good information. Where are you guys located, by the way?
3595 Boulder Highway. We're just 2 blocks south of Sahara.
Awesome.
Great to have you.
Thank
Great
you
having
so
you.
much.
Thank
And
you
you
so
know what?
much.
Thank you for fixing Sean's car.
I was a really
pleasure.
crabby boy for
Yeah.
that month.
Yeah. We all thank you because we were frankly getting tired of hearing about it. So
If you're in an
thank
accident
you.
like I was and devastated and your car needs some TLC,
Oh.
remember, it's your choice where you bring your car. Leave it to the professionals at Sudden Impact Auto Body. They're located on Boulder Highway. Their number, their website are right there on your screen. Sudden Impact Auto Body is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.
You know,
and
I
I
think that
genuinely
was-
look forward to seeing that lady in court.
That was really healing. Are you ready to sort of just let go of this whole
Nope.
car accident thing?
Nope.
Just let it go, Sean.
Small claims. We're going. I can't wait.
Let
When
it go.
You hit me on
Move
purpose
on.
and you lied to the cops.
Move on. Move forward.
I'm over it. I'm not over it.